So we're going to Sequoia next week, and I can't wait because it's my first road trip. We're gonna be taking a Sprinter van. I'll show you. It's really cool. So it's gonna be me and my boyfriend. It's gonna be so much fun. They have the coolest vans. We're gonna be there for about 4 days. It's really funny too because we don't know how the weather's gonna be, so it's gonna be a drastic extreme from cold to hot because in some spots it's snowing and some spots it's 80 degrees. So it'll be interesting. Grab some sweatpants and then some cargo pants because pockets, and some jeans just in case we decide to go to dinner and I have to like look like an actual normal person. When it's night and dark and you can't be seen, bam, 3M, saved your life. So I also only travel in carry-on and small luggage because I'm used to only traveling carry-on only, so it's minimal as possible because I wear the same thing repeatedly a lot. Just kind of mix it up, different bottoms, different tops. Easy peasy, 3 outfits can go a long way. And when it comes to packing shoes, I always like to wear my biggest shoe just so that I have more space in my bag because these take up a lot of space. I'm trying to stay away from having those set locations so that we can just be free and enjoy our time out in a way and disconnect. This is my favorite hat because you've got it's a little secret stash. Oh, we're also taking some liquid IV. This is gonna help keep us hydrated while we're hiking. Each stick equals to like 3 or 4 glasses of water, so if you don't have that much water on you, this will save your life. My favorite soap is the SLMD Acne Body Wash because since I work out a lot and I'm always sweaty, I'm always breaking out on my chest and it's amazing. And then also my face oil and face lotion, my eyes, because I just need help down there. This stuff is the bomb. Pixie's the best. I don't know if you guys exfoliate, you guys, but it's super important. Your skin, you have so much dead skin and you just need to exfoliate. Brush twice a day, day and night. Thank you twice. This is the cutest thing ever. It's always a good sign when you don't have to sit on your suitcase to zip it. I mean, it doesn't get much easier than this. Alright guys, well since I just got out of the shower, it's time for me to get ready and hit the road soon, so we'll see you soon. Bye. Bye.